Did you know that BOLDO has endless health benefits? In this video from the Daily Eco, we explain what its medicinal properties are and how you can benefit from them. Properties of BOLDO. BOLDO has digestive, hepatic, diuretic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties, among many others. But what exactly is BOLDO good for? Let us take a closer look at all the main benefits of BOLDO for your health. Improves bile and liver functions. BOLDO is an alkaloid that stimulates gallbladder function and has beneficial properties for the liver. It also prevents the formation of stones or gallstones in the gallbladder. In other words, it helps to cleanse the blood and liver. Helps improve digestion. Improves digestion when taken as a tea before meals. It is recommended for stomach pain, gastritis, and digestive problems. BOLDO improves the action of bile released by the gallbladder in the intestines, helping digest fats and relieving indigestion. The astringent properties it possesses also reduce acidity. It also has digestive and anti-inflammatory properties that relieve the symptoms of some food intolerances such as poor digestion or intestinal colic. Lowers cholesterol levels. This plant helps cleanse the liver and bile cholesterol, removing these fats from the body. Helps in the functioning of the intestine. The alkaloids act as an intestinal relaxant, regulate bowel movements, and are useful in treating constipation. In turn, it reduces gas production and helps treat parasites and intestinal infections. Helps you sleep better. BOLDO tea is used to combat insomnia and sleep disorders. BOLDO herbal teas reduce anxiety, stress, and nervousness. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. To which family does the BOLDO plant belong? Rutaceae, umbellifers, legumes. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video, you can check if you were right. If you like the Daily Eco, remember that you can help us continue to create content like this by giving us a super thanks. Reduces migraines and muscle pain. The leaves of the plant can help relieve several headaches thanks to their sedative and calming effects. They're also used to relieve muscle tension thanks to their antispasmodic and muscle relaxant properties. Improves hangovers. This plant helps to cleanse from a substance produced by the liver after alcohol consumption, which is mainly responsible for the hangover symptoms. How to make a BOLDO infusion. You will need 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of dried BOLDO leaves. Add the leaves to the boiling water and let it sit for 10 or 15 minutes. Finally, you just need to strain the tea to remove the leaves. BOLDO infusion should be taken immediately after preparation. BOLDO side effects. The main side effects that BOLDO can cause include allergy or contact dermatitis, drowsiness, headaches, dizziness, and vomiting, especially when used in high doses. It may also cause obstruction of the bile ducts due to its anesthetic effects. Finally, in some rare cases, it may have a mild laxative effect due to its choleratic properties. Contraindications of BOLDO. Consumption is not indicated in people suffering from problems with biliary obstruction or severe liver or kidney disease. Also, it should not be taken during pregnancy or lactation due to its high alkaloid content. Avoid taking the essential oil orally and do not exceed the dose, as BOLDO may have hypnotic or even narcotic effects. It can also cause diarrhea or vomiting. It should be noted that treatments of more than 4 weeks are also contraindicated. As always, a herbal practitioner with experience in medicinal plants should be consulted before using BOLDO. And going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B. It is a medicinal plant that belongs to the umbellifers. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have already taken BOLDO or if you plan to do so in the near future. Until next time!